Hello guys, you're welcome back to Forex Trading Made Easy. Today I'm going to be discussing technical indicators. So technical indicators are these are basically softwares that are generated mathematically from price. So note my definition. These are softwares, programs generated based on price movement, and traders use these movements to try to find where price is going. Remember, in a previous post, we discussed about how to make profit from the market. You buy and you expect price to go up, and when you sell, you expect prices to go down. So technical indicators also help traders to buy or sell. Okay, so when you're having a conversation with a trader and they say, oh, I'm using moving average or the Bollinger Band or the relative index or relative strength index, the RSI, that is the stochastics, moving average, convergence, divergence, MACD, and so on, they are all technical indicators. Okay, so let's take a quick look at some of the popular technical indicators. So here you have the relative strength index. This is called an oscillator. There are trend indicators and there are oscillators. And when we talk about oscillators, the reason why they are called oscillators is because they oscillate between 0 and 100. Okay, so prices bounce off, oscillate going up and down, and you will see some very notable levels, the 30 level and the 70 level. These are called the overbought region. 70 and above is referred to as the overbought region, while the 30 and below is called the oversold region. So as a rule of thumb, whenever you see price touch the oversold region, there is a possibility that price may go up. Notice my choice of words, possibility and may. So let me take that again. Whenever price touches the oversold region, there is a possibility that price may go up. Now, when you are creating your own trading strategy, we will discuss confluence of factors. So you cannot just come and say, oh, as soon as this touches the oversold region, I will start buying, and as soon as it touches the overbought region, I will start selling. So when we discuss creating a trading strategy, we will then discuss details about confluence of factors. So when price touches below the 30 level, this region is the oversold region, so the tendency is for price to go up. And when prices touch excuse me, the overbought region, the tendency is for price to go down. But like I said, you cannot just buy or sell because price, the oscillator has touched the oversold region or the overbought region. Now keep in mind that these regions are based on price. So price is always king. These are mathematically generated softwares, but they are following price. Now let's look at other indicators. So if you want to find your indicator, go to the view and then go to the navigator, and from the navigator you'll be able to find the other details. So you see the MACD, the MACD. Okay, this is also an oscillator, but this one does not have an overbought and oversold level. There is something we call divergence. This is used for divergence. In a later course, we will discuss trading divergences. So, but this, when the histograms are above, is showing a possible upward movement, and when they are below, downward movement, but they oscillate within a zero line. And then again, we have also another popular one, the moving average. The moving average is, just like the name implies, an average that is moving. So you will see it here. You see that the average is moving. So you can choose to select the properties and add, for example, 200 period. Now, when you add 200 period, what it will just calculate is the average for 200 candles. So whether you are using the daily or the 1 hour time frame, if you put 200 period, it will show you the average for 200 candles. So let's set 200 period. It is now giving the average for 200 candles. If you set it for 50, it will give you the average for 50 candles. So that way you will be able to know what has been happening within the last 50 candles, the average within the last 50 candles. Now, many traders use 200 days to define possible uptrends and downtrends. So, as a rule of thumb, they believe if price is trading above the 200 moving average and that is a possible uptrend. So you are looking to buy, and if price is trading below the 200 moving average, it is an invitation for a possible sell. But like I said earlier, you don't just place your buy or your sell orders only because price is above the 200 or the 50 or the 100 moving average, or price is in the overbought region or the oversold region. Another one that we are going to discuss is the stochastic oscillator. That's another oscillator. Stochastic is another popular one. And here it is. This is what it looks like now for the stochastics. If you reset this, um, so you would see two lines, a red and the blue line. One is the signal line. The red one is the signal line. The blue one is the main stochastic line. So you see that the overbought, oversold regions here is 80 and 20. Now, the same like the relative strength index, the stochastic oscillator can detect overbought and oversold levels. But the only difference is that stochastic oscillator, unlike the RSI, is a lot more uh, faster and appears a lot more times than the RSI. So you would see price here, possibility of price coming down is there, and if it is here, possibility of price going up is there. Now, why I use the word possibility is you might see price at the oversold region. For example, you will see price at the oversold region, yes, pushed a little bit upwards, but price continued to come down. That is why we recommend a confluence of factors. So you need a confluence of factors to be able to properly identify a good trade, and you need to also know that no strategy will win 100% of the time. It is not really realistic. So when we are creating trading strategies, we will discuss confluence of factors and how to put all of these things together to be able to become profitable in trading the financial market and by extension the forex market. Thank you for sticking around. See you in the next video. Click on the link at the description of this video to join our Telegram community where you get free signals and a lot of other fun information regarding the financial market. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.